my friends and solo. You don't wanna miss this, watch the show now. Press the button for updates, fast do it now. Notify, subscribe and like. Miss Lily's World. Watch it, go on, watch it, Miss Lily's World. Watch it, go on, watch it.
Hey, it's your girl, Miss Lee. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depending on where you are. Before I go any further, I just want to say to those who are returning and who have subscribed to my channel, thank you. I have reached my goal of having a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. Say yeah. Guys, we did it. I couldn't have done it without you, so thank you. But if you're a returnee or you're new to the channel, before we go any further, please remember to hit that subscribe button. Yes, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, like this video, and the notification so that you are aware every time I upload new content. So it's been a minute since I've sat down with you guys and actually had a one-to-one and done something slightly different. As I said in my previous video, like, summer is officially over here in the UK for 2022. So your girl, I mean, don't get me wrong, I still have a social life. I'll still be out. I'll still be bringing you guys with me. But you know, things kind of slow down on the social calendar. Just a little bit, you know, just a little. Should we say we hibernate in the winter, don't we? Like, yeah, definitely so. I know you guys enjoy the unboxing of luxury items. So I will be unboxing this baby in a moment. So this is like girly night out, date night kind of season, and I was like, I want a nice heels that will complement if I was wearing, you know, like a dark, especially a dark colored outfit during, I mean, it is autumn and this is part of the collection, but during like autumn stroke winter, I just feel sometimes with the temperature drop we just go straight into winter, but you know, there is a season before that. It gets dark, it's colder, and I feel that we wear darker, well, I know I wear darker colors during this period, so I just wanted something that will complement certain outfits. I purchased the Cherry Pump heel from Louis Vuitton, and I'm gonna unbox it with you now. So I just love how Louis Vuitton package their goods. I had this delivered. I didn't actually go into the store because I couldn't be bothered to go into the city. It was just too long. So this is the packaging. Most of you are familiar with the Louis Vuitton packaging. Right guys, I don't know what's going on with my camera, but it keeps going really dark. I don't know what's wrong with it. But anyway, this is how they package their shoes. You would believe this is a receipt or something, right? Just how the package is, or like a gift note or something. Yeah, it's just a blank piece of paper. So I don't know what it is. So I never know what this is for, but it's blank, guys. I like to accessorize my outfits with nice shoes, nice bags, purse, etc., jewelry. So I decided to give the Cherry Pump heel a go. I always loved the ribbon, but we gotta let it go. Okay, so this is the telly, and let's see if I'm gonna even like it, because you know sometimes online it looks a lot different to in person. So this is a pulley label, so you can just put it all out, and as expected they come in their own shoe bag. I'm recording. Oh no, they're not in it. Yeah. But they've tied them together just in case you lose one of them. It would be good if one says what's the left and what's the right, but I guess we can figure this out ourselves. So let's see what this looks like. Okay. Okay. This is the Cherie pump heel from Louis Vuitton. No, I'm recording.
Please get out, please. I really
So this is the right foot. I was going to put it on the table, but my grandmother always said never put shoes on the table. I won't tell you why. And this is the left foot. So these are leather. The front has got the Louis Vuitton pattern. The back is patent. It's different. These are 6.5 because I always find with pointy toes that they squeeze. I have like wide feet and they squeeze like the sides, my pinky toe, and nobody's trying to get corns or bunion on the big side from nothing. So I think these are really cute. They are half a size bigger, as I said, but let me try them on to make sure that they're not too big. I'm not really a 5.5, 6. I'm more like a 6. I'm just a 6'6". And especially where the cut isn't wide, I find that if I get my size, you can wear them in. Obviously they're leather, so leather does usually stretch, but not too much. They're not like overly soft. But yeah, I find that it cuts in to my feet. So half a size is never gonna hurt no one. Hopefully they won't slip off. So with that try on, I can say they actually felt really comfortable. That half a size was actually, I think, a good idea. It was required. They don't hurt. I mean, I haven't worn them for a long period of time, so I can't say, well, over time they start hurting, but to initially put them on, you know, with some shoes, especially designer heels, sometimes when you initially put them on, you know that shit is gonna bun off your foot. But no, these feel very comfortable. Very, very, very comfortable. Very chic. I feel these will look really nice with a nice pair of trousers, fitted or flared. Now the bottom is nice and black, which is nice. And they have, I'm assuming it's like an extra grip. So they have an extra grip on the point, as your toes probably end here, and that's probably, I'm assuming, maybe extra support, so it's a non-slip type of thing. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud, but they definitely are comfortable. Now the price tag for these, they are £660. For £660, you can get a comfortable pair of Louis Vuitton designer pumps, or in the UK, as we call them, heels. So the heel height is 3.9 inches, and that's 10 centimeters high. I don't think they're that high. I think they're very low, actually. They're a stiletto heel. So as I said, they have the monogram print, Louis Vuitton print at the front, and patent black at the back. Patent part at the back of the shoe, I felt like it looked different, so I thought, let me try it. But I'm not really sure if I'm feeling it, to be honest. I like patent, but it just depends. And like, it has like a smudge. Don't know if you can see it because you can see my ring light, but it has like a smudge element to it. For this price, I expect it to just be a gloss, a shine. And yeah, that's what puts me off. I'm not sure if it blends well. In the photo online, on the model, it looks nice. But in person, I'm not too keen on the two. So yeah, I'm not sure about these. But other than that, it is a nice slender stiletto heel. This came in at £660 British pounds. You would have to do the conversion of how much that will be in US or euros, but I'm assuming because the pound is quite weak at the moment, it's not going to be too much of a difference. Now here, when I ordered these shoes, their delivery charge is free because of the price, I'm assuming. So I didn't pay for delivery, and I only waited a few days for it to come. So I think I waited like 3 or 4 days for the delivery. There was no such thing as next day delivery. I don't remember seeing an option for like a next day delivery service. But nevertheless, you know, they're cute. So I don't think I'd wear them to like a club like raving, but I would wear these more so like casual smart dinner date, as I said, maybe a bar-ish, not sure. But yeah, these are very smart cash. They don't really give me a lot of the wow factor, but at the same time, they're still cute and they can still work and they will still look cut. But anyway, let's see how we get on with them. So guys, before I go, you can drop any comments that you may have in the comment section below. Please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, also hit the notification so that you are aware every time I drop new content. Like, you will be known when it's hot off the press. Also, most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, you will see me soon. Take care, stay safe. Bye.